What if I told you your childhood console just got a LEGO makeover and it's fully playable? Kind of. Let's talk about the LEGO Nintendo Entertainment System, one of the coolest nostalgia builds out there. Released as part of the LEGO and Nintendo collaboration, the LEGO NES is not just a display piece. It's a time machine, 2,646 pieces of pure retro goodness. Inside the box, you get everything you need to build the original NES console, a classic controller, a game cartridge, and even a retro-style TV with a scrolling Super Mario Bros. Screen. The detail is insane. The console even opens up like the real thing. You can insert the cartridge and press it down to lock it in place. LEGO absolutely nailed it. But the best part? The TV. It's got a hand crank on the side that makes an 8-bit Mario run and jump across the screen. It's mechanical, not electric, and it works very smoothly. On top of that, if you've got the LEGO Mario from the starter course, you can place him on top of the TV. He reacts with music and sound effects as you turn the crank. Now, how cool is that? Now, in conclusion, this set isn't just about building. It's about reliving memories. Whether you grew up with the NES or just love retro gaming, this build hits all the right notes. So, is the LEGO NES worth the hype? Absolutely. It's challenging, nostalgic, and beautifully designed. Now, if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more LEGO and retro content, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite classic console?